What it do, y'all? It's your boy Don. So we are back with another video, man. We starting off the day outside, bro. And it's the only time we might be outside. Well, until later. But what we gonna see about that? We'll see. But today is a very special day, y'all. Why is it a very special day? See if anybody knows off the rip, just for a second. Just pause the video right now. Drop down in the comments below if you know what today is. Probably don't. I doubt anybody knows. Well, my real viewers, like my real subscribers, like my real viewers, you know what I'm saying? The people who actually really watch me and shit, yeah, I know what today is. But nevertheless, today is November. It's Tuesday, November 4th, man. Why is this day so special? Because a young star, a young entrepreneur was born. Yes, it is. It's my birthday, y'all. I swear to God, I don't even be. I don't sound excited, but I am excited. I'm highly excited, man. For me, first and foremost, gang. Let me stop saying gang, guys. That's so wild. That's some young nigga shit, bro. That's so wild shit. But yeah, no, man. I'm highly excited, bro. I'm more than thankful. I'm trying to keep the camera over there because that's really what this video is about. Well, it is about it being my birthday, but it's about me, about my new birthday present. That's right there. But yeah, gang, no, I'm highly blessed. I'm highly thankful, man, to see another year around the sun. First and foremost, gotta thank God. Um, without Him, nothing would be possible, man. So, really not trying to take this life shit for granted. Excuse the language, but really not trying to take this life stuff for granted, man. Trying to live every day, to the fullest, the best that I know how. But also carrying, carrying all the responsibilities of, being a man, being a, better man for myself, better man for my partner, better partner in general, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not trying to take the life for granted, but truly blessed, truly thankful, man. And I got the greatest people in my corner, the greatest support team in my corner, man. Y'all watching this, which I know y'all are. I love y'all, man. Y'all mean the world to me. All my bros, man, y'all mean the world to me, man. I don't want to sound like I'm getting emotional. I don't want to carry on for long, but yeah, no, everybody in my family, all y'all mean the world to me. Some of us may not talk like that, but y'all mean the world to me. And I wouldn't be here without God, and I wouldn't be here without y'all either. So shout out to the family, shout out to the bros. Y'all know who y'all are. Love y'all to death, man. But without further ado, man, let's go. It might be a short video for real. But but yeah, man. I guess without further ado, we're gonna turn the camera around, and we're gonna see what this birthday present is. So let's get it. All right, yeah, as y'all can see, I ain't turned the camera around yet. I'm gonna just keep it on the POV, first person. but but y'all seen this car on the channel before, man. Y'all seen this car on the channel before. I guess a hint, we did an exhaust on it. I'll have that as a hint, but this car definitely been on the channel before. I guess the bro decided to finally let it go, and I guess I was the first person he let know. So without further ado, man, who remembers the Evo gay? Who remembers the Evo guy? Shout out to my boy. Shout out to the bro Ivan, man. If you're watching this, shout out to the bro. Thank you for honestly, really, thank you for letting me be the first person you let know that you was signed it. But yeah, man. No, we got a 2014 Mitsubishi Evo right here, man. Only downside about it is if you guys saw my subscribers, if you have seen this car on the channel before, you guys know the car's automatic. Yeah, I know I'm more of a manual person, but I really couldn't pass the car up, couldn't pass the offer up. And the car's already set up. The car already got tint. Obviously, y'all know that. The car has a HKX catback exhaust, which y'all know that. If you know. We did that on the channel. If you haven't seen it on the channel, make sure y'all go back and watch that video. I think that shit was from like a year or two ago, something like that. But yeah, they got the stock BBs on it. Got the Brimbos front and back. Yeah, what else? Yeah, I think it has the front mount. No, it doesn't have the. It has the stock intercooler, but yeah, I think what else? Everything other than exhaust, I think everything else is stock. But yeah, let me turn the camera around real quick. Yeah, like I said, automatic. But I'm not gonna lie, gang. I didn't stop saying gang. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I know because the GTR was, like automatic. So this is the reason why I really got it. Like I said, I got it because it was a good offer, couldn't pass up on a deal. But yeah, no, like The car got 69,000 miles. Bro, the interior is immaculate. Like, the seats are immaculate. It really still look like nobody sat in these freaking seats, bro. I mean, you know, obviously the driver's got a little bit more wear and tear, but it's not even crazy though. Like, you got the Caros, bro. The back seats are immaculate. Ooh, a little stuck. Gotta wash this joint. Yeah. Yeah, look at the rear seats. Look like nobody sat in this car. I mean, I kind of know who sat in it and who didn't sit in it. Oh, I thought that was bird shit. I ain't gonna lie. I kind of wish it was bird shit now. But yeah, whatever. Nevertheless, yeah, she's dirty though. She's definitely dirty, gang. But yeah, I got the mats. Yeah, this car is fun, man. I drove it back home last night, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all. The automatic Evo is pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. Like, obviously, like I said, I'm a manual guy. Like, I prefer the manual car, the manual life, and still will. You know, save the manuals. But oh yeah, it does have a Cobb. I forgot it has a Cobb intake. Or Cobb filter. Just a filter, I believe. But yeah, other than that, it's 100% stock. I've done some work on it in the past, so I know, you know, I know what the car is. But yeah, man, this is it in her little glory, the Evo 10. Obviously, you guys know, let's say like the most desirable year for Evos. You know what I'm saying? Like, people like everybody likes like the Evo 9s. I mean, there's Evo 10 fans out there, obviously, but you know, I like the Evo 9s and 10s, and I've been looking for a 9. I'm looking for an 8 or 9 for the longest, and I found something like last year or so when I was, you know, when the GTR was gone, and I was looking for a new car. But I should have got it, but I just wasn't trying to drive like all the way up state like New York or some shit. I wasn't trying to drive like 6 hours to New York, but the car was immaculate though. It's crazy. On an Evo 9, I think it had like 46,000 miles on it, and the guy wanted like, I think it had like 39,000 miles on it. The guy wanted like 41,000 for it or something like that. But yeah, man, nevertheless, we got an Evo now, so yeah. Alright, sorry about that, guys, but we back with it, man. Yeah, man, the car is great. Like I said, the car is really fun, actually, man. The car is really fun, really fun. I'm not gonna lie. But I guess shoot, man, like I said, I really don't want to make this a long video, but shoot, with the Nautilus Glory, man, let's shoot, let's give it a start up. Ooh, and we're gonna have a cold start, a nice cold start. Yeah. So let's get this cold start going on, man. Let me set the camera up real quick. Y'all remember that HKS we put on about a year or so ago? Yeah. Y'all see that HKS stamp? Yeah. Yeah. Y'all see that? Once again, shout out to the bro Ivan, man. Okay, guys. I don't know if I can carry this on for too long, but obviously this is not my car. It's not a birthday gift. I wish it was. Honestly, I wish it was a birthday gift, but Ivan, my boy Ivan, he's let me keep it for about a week. Well, one, I think they doing like some work on the street or whatever, so you need to move the car. But I'm also gonna do some work on it. I'm gonna do an oil change and lift the car over. I'm gonna give it a wash and stuff like that. But he is letting me drive it. He's gonna give me permission to drive it while it's here and things like that. So I'm excited. Ivan, I know you're watching this video, so once again, thank you. But I'm gonna treat it like it's mine. I'm gonna treat it real special, man. I'm gonna take real good care of her. Treat her like she was mine. Treat her like the GTR. Promise. She in good hands. I ain't gonna do nothing crazy. Whatever I break, I promise I'll fix it. Obviously, come on. But yeah, man. No, this is exciting, bro. Like, it's like, I think he set this up on purpose to give it to me now, because I was supposed to got the car like a month ago. But But yeah, gang, I'm sorry. I had to troll y'all. I'm sorry if you know if y'all fell for it. I'm sorry if you didn't. You. It's like nah. if you didn't fall for it, good on you. But if you fell for it, I'm sorry. I had to troll a little bit. But no, man. Yeah, no. Like I said, he let me keep the car for about a week or so. This is great because now I can make content, guys. Like this is exciting for me because now I can make content. Like I said, I don't have a car. Can't wait till I get another car. I'm going to get another car. Don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get another one soon. Claiming it. But yeah, no, I can make hella content with this, so I'm super excited, gang. I need to stop saying gang. I'm not a YN no more. I need to stop saying gang. But no, this is exciting, y'all. Like I'm gonna make hella content with this, man. Drop down in the comments below, man. What do you guys want to see with the Evo while it's in my possession for about a week? What do you guys want to see, man? Y'all want to see us do some races, which I'm not. I'm not gonna do no races. I'm not gonna do no races. I swear. But yeah, no, which I want to see, man. Like this car is pretty quick. This car is quick as hell, man. Like I said, it's pretty fun. Automatics are pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. And it pops in between shifts and everything. It's really fun. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man, y'all. I'll see what else the rest of the day brings to us. Well, I already know my lady got some stuff planned for the night. So who knows? I might film that too. Might be a separate video from this. I just want to make this really quick short video. So yeah, man. This might be it might be it. The end of this video. Who knows? I'm gonna pick I might pick the camera up later on. Like I said, I might bring it to wherever we're going. So yeah, man. That'll be it. That's gonna be the end of the video, gang. Hope y'all like this video, gang. Please stop saying gang, but I hope y'all like this video, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and eat some breakfast, some birthday breakfast. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this video, man. Give the video a thumbs up for me. Give the video a thumbs up because the Evo's back on the channel. You already know. Yeah, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.